So, guys, I want to share a little story about my experience in an Islamic boarding school. Many of my friends think that boarding school is not fun or even uncomfortable, but actually, it's not always like that. First, let me explain. An Islamic boarding school or pondok pesantren is a place where students live and study not only formal school subjects but also religious knowledge like the Quran, Islamic studies, and daily discipline. And every boarding school is different, especially the rules. In my boarding school, the rules were not too strict. For example, we were allowed to buy snacks outside the boarding school, but in some other boarding school, students are not allowed to go outside at all or only on curtain days. Now, let me tell you about my daily activities there. My day usually starts early in the morning when the azan subuh called. We prayed together, then continued by reading the Quran until around 5 a.m. After that, we queued for taking a bath. Yes, we had to take turns. Then we get ready and went to school. After school around 1 p.m., we changed clothes and had lunch together. After eating, we usually chat for a bit, then took a nap. When the Azan Asar came, we prayed together again and continued with afternoon study session. The lesson depended on the schedule. For example, on Monday we studied kitab and Tuesday tajweed and so on. We finished around 4:30 4 ya kan? 4:30 p.m. After that, we had a schedule to cook for dinner. Even if it was our turn, sometimes we helped each other if we were free. That made everything feel lighter and more fun. At Maghrib, we prayed together again and continued reading the Quran until around 6:30 p.m. Then we had dinner together. After that, at Isha, we prayed again. Sometimes, if the Yai was available, we studied kitab. If not, we used the time to do school homework of study. Because most of us were still studying students, we usually went to bed around 9 or 10 p.m. But honestly, sometimes we stayed up until 10 because we were double shift chatting and working together. So yeah, life in a boarding school is not as scary as people think. There are fun moments, meaningful lessons, and strong friendship. Of course, there are also challenges like being far away from family. But from that, we learn to be independent and grateful. Okay, guys, that's my story about life in a boarding school. It's not always easy, but it's full of memories and valuable experience. Okay, thank you for watching. See you again my next vlog, guys. Bye bye.